watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714 824 433 au 0752 901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Seriki na mirongo ibere na isano na mumutinyo yo kabero umwaka no yobetiriwe mirongo ibere na 5 nomo mwancho murigerere inde no kwegena biyorando siasole na gukwanire abayigo ukwarigani kwanyora mangana moya yekiunga chinsenya chabone butiko literane seras nyakunde asense meli manyirio nere Wilson makuli na gosabire tuskale. Kuchaka ikiunga chinsenye chia bono botuko mujumbo omukorobo basi homuske Stephen Manoti niko litukulia lero harama igerio hega bamenyi abo boigo balensi yekiama ke UDA igoro yobochori bwebituo oborobeire okorekana homweri bomutinyo gocha omoyega okorekana sensemo ya nyamache ime ye county ya Kisii kukwana chingeke cho Manoti ni gatabuna ikiama ke UDA na kigioka kigendete kolibia ge siasa sechingakechi asubigo harira yo guchikubwaterana nabo bateni bande hasoko musiro muraiben somuske William Ruto ke magendro mori kitodani ntiri oroboti rwasenchira yo bwikirano
umuchumbe ukwana chinga ki chigikaro negati yabamenyi rwasechi ward cha Masige East, Masige West ward ya Nyachiki basi Central egati ya chinde chinyinge Manoti nigo chinga kecho akwanira okobabuya gwekyama kya UDA na monakuru asorogongo rwagusi oteba iyo ne sababu esaine yokogendera kubwatesia oborai wa Kenya kwanza
party UDA nakitwara ko basomirero basapoti president akorigita
asense mwende nigakwanira okogechi gokwae kubwatekana no gukwama kwegati ya magendero asebu basi oteba umurai gweka oyoraya kwa mure no murai bwensobono Dr. William Ruto
ete president yecha eronji jibarabo na bono otagete kuruwago ende baka burangi piaji togoika otake koru igare oche materio gando chierto gokora togoeta parata karoti kiteyo otake koru mogonga oche kiobe kyo chiko gena ochiko endembe parata karoti kiteyo otake te president yeche na intu eto konye kira tu abeire kese president ya choru tanja goja bwasi otoko motebia je bwasi entu arabo komuboro atokonye
chinga kecho nigesegeto yarwegwa hasabasae kwelikia bona bakichikura asekelibuna ekigyoka nakyo ekirwanero kirabakonye kobeko murai bokogania kwa babisi
basae baito bali batara bwata ekibande babwate erinde chiko bakonya batware ekadi dio juwake kura 2027
Stephen Kengere Manoti nigasa matuka bwangwega arolekanire gukina gesiasa oibono oirerie bagali nene hase kyamekyo na kubwate sigati ya bubunge kurogusi abara serikali na gusuguma hasoko ene kyamagendero
intubu n'abantu babo basi otutagete tokore siasa yomorembe ntutagetio ndarwa nionde tugita abantu bonsi bategererane kero umuntu kabwata mangana aye akwane yo kunyaira anyaira yo tageti anyatike egento gukwana omorembe amani ndutageti mangana asegi ekine kigendo kya obo maene na Kenya is a multi-party country anybody na bago jeni kiamba kiaye arari yata gitikorari
nkuribo terega daseni kya gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii eletrene nguru kwa Daniel Ntiri
Muno humuri kito Daniel Ntiri hasorobotiro abamenyi bamatieko hegodi ya Bugusero ime yebunge ya kitutu cha South Digo bago keiro kwigurwa kwa maje no mujumbe bwe bunge yo Muske Anthony Kibagende engana yabeire umuchando monene gocha sechinse mecho asegi karekyo nigo akwanira mangana rengeto bulendi ogusira chiseme naboigo ogose bwasali butaka kurwa sebinyoro engana yegwa koboko nabagambi bechinse mecho mori kitoliboni asanya narobotirwa senchira yobwikirano
maji tunayo hatuna maji na tieko ime yebunge ya kitutu cha South kula wano mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagende Itukulia lero ni gatwara libagari ya bene liogosange birengerelio bamenyi be wodi ya Bogusero anene asensemelia ya matieko jingaki aliko igora omuradi bwa mache na bego gotegerera ebirengerelio bamenyi anene asa magenderero muchando berego kubachanda asa matuka mange kolende igoro lekanini go ikomo elio na ukwani imbiae na wawazi biae adiri bagale ya madana kibogale ndio gumbi la mache ada ni kwa kusuire umasini wa asa macho wakakonire konyoro tuachane kire abana baito imogire kuiboka biasire suku ya erire ono bako imogire buyu amache nwara iga nao wasitaiyo ese ya nyala ya bari bako tuomana
Mwata wa mheshimiwa ito tomo etu itam taibo lakini ngorari tua bwana wanta munitowe no bwana
Gukwane kirekyo umubunge Kibagendi nigakwanira amagenderero ali ikiranirie guchesa bamenyi be bunge yuo naboigo okwanira nari aroberetie asogo chigikirania
abantu baito n'amagendero mutagete ogento kene ndaite gukwanira nestima chinse monchire kitabwati estima. In the month of March balimu akora to survey chinamba chengo chikairwa moche morore chinjinia chigocha chichake kwa beke estima taliboigo na esimi ya okwanye beke charge iga ya charge mwaonyo taliboigo
Assistant Chief we sublocation ya Matieko Mr. Ombati nigakwanira emechando anene eyuerengete abasaye abo babeire bakwenyora asakongu anena sebikora byobosalia
imambo tuko na organized criminals wa kupiga watu mapanga. I think it's because of frustrations due to lack of employment ama constructive work. Ungetafuta forum, you engage with the youth directly. Si kwa hii mitandao naana watu wanarusha matusi so that they can be engaged in constructive activities ili na wao wapate riziki.
Ingana asense muyende umubunge Anthony Kibagendi akwanira asogotingirwa kubolende.
Asengeje sublocation nechi location kire kinene. Nchina asugumire paka na rentere new administrative units. Chi units echi umugambi umbati na akwanira abantu bache balikwe. Erinde batokwane korente gedugeko kusalama. Tufanye tukue na security in our area. Na ningependa kuuliza machief na assistant chiefs. Kuna vijana ambao wakati mwingine wanatusaidia kazi hapa wa community policy.
Komenta na yueni goboigo alekana komochia uraiwe serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Sisi kama members of parliament, bosses wetu ni hawa raia ambao wanatupigia kura. Nyinyi ndio bosses wetu. Hatukuchaguliwa tuende kumwabudu William Ruto. Na huyo William Ruto ambaye ameharibu sekta ya afya. William Ruto ameharibu sekta ya elimu. William Ruto ameharibu uchumi. William Ruto ameharibu hata uhusiano baina ya jamii.
Asekolende amwakire koko umuske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi asokoligie kirugo kyo baraibense.
Fred Okengo Matiangi. Mwetayari. Ulingo Nairobi. Mtagi Matiangi muna mwatebe niko mweti mule. Na endo onde bwesi Otari na Matiang'i mtapeleka yeye wapi? Ule Wezi Otari na Matiang'i ataenda wapi?
Kurega ase skuru yoboroso ya Matieko egotoke ward ya Bogusero ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South eliana inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Bemuno humori kito Dipon Asanya soroboti uruo Wasemi nigo bwa tokirwe go chia saboro kibechi skuru na baigo honde bwensio yubwa tenaro yoko gosoli cha korondo gosepeting buna chinchira heyemo yoko enyorera enengo ya kiralitiko nigo hakwanirwe no mobiso bwechisemi kurwa sezone ya magwawa Alfred Nyasani chinga kichege ikarona bali mu beskuru yoboroso ya Mogonga eye gotoka ime yegwadi ya Kerenyo yote birubuna abalimu abange nigeni bayabo yabere ke gusirira ase chigosori yegento gekwirira abange go chandika mono oli kitofadiga tikisamba no roboti ura senchira yobo ikirano
Chinga kechi aborokiwa na boigo aborokia korwa chiskuru aho bari asumutimoko omoke asitamu intangani nigo korwa siskuru yoboroso ya Magonga eyo egotoka imeye ward ya Ekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugirango ritkuria rero banyorire amaigerio igoro yenchira enkia babwenerete gutumika enengo ekero banyorire
ago chago itoga iga gangenere noko abalimu amo na Bible whereby they are represented by the board of management Johnson Oirega as mono okosomi abalimu baito on financial management and the CPE, that's competency based education as amasomo ta konyara kogenderera onye bomombo iyo
nonye nabo nigo aborokia babere bagukurirwa buna beatarane kurwase chigosori chimbe cha betting ejo endake chikwirira enibo yabo enyinge bosira bosa
egente gegekoruko gambling kyagarire mechando yabeire abarimu baito basiriri chibese chinyinge na abandi basiriri amagemabo asengencho yogoswa ase bintu bunebye bikebike chinje shortcut yokonyora chibese bwenereti so ekire kitware kwa manga gambling yaretire muchando monene abarimu baito basiriri amagimabo asengencho balusiri basiriri enibo yabo eyibaro chokobeka sama tumisi amaya na kero kende yagera ekero chibese chiaba borire chiasoira sinjira buneyo mbagwekeranya ne school omuntu manya konyabona otwara mental health yamanya gocha mental illness yacha magwase birengere bya musumbu ko mwarimu nyoto otire birengere ryo bibu kumuchanda chibese nabo chiasire kabireye nakibonongo chagokora akigucha kwa inde school agafira akafira ngaki kaborire abasemi asaba ari mu baitomborianga tigatutumike ngeri etokonyora yobware munenke kurende nengiya teyetumika sichinjera chingiya tutige namangana ya korondo tego tokonye goturasirie nibe nyinge
nonye nabo nigo barire eira buna maega ya maigerio ayo nigo amachibu amaya araje kogenderera kwenekiwa asiskuru eyo asikire batebire nigo nonye naborokia aboigo aborokiwa baraje konyora chinza chisaine chosoma.
This is one of my schools that has decided to come here. The school by name is Magonga Comprehensive School. Hii shule iliperform vizuri sana. Head teacher kuangalia akaona walimu vile wamejitahidi na wameleta haya matokeo, watch at least I motivated them in one way or the other. But now they are very happy. Even now, even if I want to transfer them to other schools, they are not even ready. They want to be at this school. And that's why they have promised me as their zonal officer that they are going to double their efforts so that at least this year the performance will at least go higher than last year's.
Hinko reporter Getembe Kroiga Ikonge North Mugirango County ya Nyamira Njefatigad Hisemba
Bemono homo likito Fatigad Hisemba hasorobotiro ense mogete yabagaka bonyakonime yegwadi yaitibe bunge ya North Mugirango igobesokire na gukwana igoro yobuya bobo mubwabo korengana nabagaka ba haibate birubuna ugutabano bomo nigo babeire bakonyora sarenene anena samagendro sebarorekana kwe murunganiria ugutabarro kwa magendro bunyakoni hegatiali yechipara chisemi hamwa chenonye ne chinsoko asibono waine kibuna mbachiko chora habara yabayi gukwana nabarali mega yegikaro kiabo nigo hapaka kabubalirira kuna niko barachi gotwara bomo buna abanyakoni heri bachekwene kibuna ogochori bumwaka bw'ekirugere 25 nebere ngochora bare oyurachi koikirani amagendro ase chinseme echo
Parieta no nyancha yo bonyanda korubunyakoni Nyamauro sublocation. Nyamauro sublocation. Kero twa uminente buna abanyakoni cyasindire cyamani tuna abantu aba ne committee ngima y'abantu 13 tukarangiria abantu aba bonse bagicha una bakire batebe emechando yo munyakoni
Porwa twarusete kero geito twabwate kyo bo MCA kwete kuroso muske Samuel Nyanjama kera twabenda agwate kero na twakana twakaumiranire twanya gukwana lakini koruto tanyora kero ko twabeirare oyonde kujya soyonde asenga tutabwati uburai igo twamwira rero wochamo buna abanyakoni rero twarenga abantu 120 kurukire getuo kyaba represented lakini twacha rero twaigwanire nga omutienyokane komentra abantu wetani rfyemo nyagokian totebani the way forward
Honda irenerie sponsor yaito yo minto kyango ingambia mana singecho nero geritora nande nero tugoreire no na mache twanyure
kiakorete bintu bonyakone gumote na school se kyangonge okora ngina mojo mo 15 years nyo 1 billion ya jira anata 5 years ngiyo jakoreka kenengero nai wana kula umugwata machibu kimojo pa kimojo
twabaire kurumaega togochecherigwa ing'anturiamo yagerire bakanonya nebintu binde bitari binde tutaikonyora intwebu no munyakoni abagaka ba minto ekero tokorigererigo chakere county nasano na bintu binde ase nare ntuto barire inga intu ase taya tokoreflectinga monto nde na munyakoni oito uratogore no ne chago soba nabagaka ekine kigia torentira no munyakoni tochake safari nende goike chake ne chinguru oika tutabokie no nya 2027 ntoborokinga ekene keombe kyo munyakoni tore yamo korwa abana ba youths abangina amona abagaka gosebona abagaka bamwe
tware gota yo minto bono intubo nyakoni ga kibara nchiyo mache tayo kistima kyoka ko chikwamete bono tushandikite ga bono twaikirase kite tugane tinga 2027 Baintu bono tukanitie kiruge kemo kererasi matokerete banje tibanja
bono twaigwana ni tobe amo paka no nyango jibosiari aka to 2027 ko to wane no munyakoni tubeke kura ya itega tonge kemo erio nali to anyole bo to agendi paka ni power no ndora jiko baka kubeke kura isiko ego no munyakoni twakanire twensi bakaba bake bichana bakaba ngina tobeke kura ya itaso wamo egero to tware paka ni power nali to anyole into amagadera so no munyakoni
na sorbote rumanchomo ligereria tanyoro motimoko maketo koirana ntugende ne kyonga sinchira yobo ikirano
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogoko obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna wono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase chitent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714 824 433 au 0752 901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo cyobosongo nigo yakira sengenje yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari bo bwato bumanyi bwigoroke gima abo bakora meremo yabo keboikeranu.
Inche no manyagitari iri kemma obangi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo mochito bosongo.
Boigo enyagitari ya nige bwate chi machines chingiya echichigo tumeka koringoria maroire ao asomobero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwenya bwao
nabonta getogotanga senyagitari ya itoni gotogokara scanning yo mobero mogima yani tokonyoroka so umuntu bweke songo nga full body check up igonta getogotanga nigo tokorigereri korwa so motwe paka amaguru inse twarigere the internal organs chia uchons pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri chia cell function abnormal twako amariogo
amaroire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oboroire bwe sukari, high blood pressure, oboroire bwe chinyigo gose kidney, asthma, arthritis, brucellosis, infertility in men and women, hormonal imbalance, family planning, uterine fibroids, oboroire bwe stroke, prostate enlargement, stomach ulcers, chi allergies, cancer.
Nonya no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbu anto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore nto bokongwa senkoro igonga mariogo ali yago tichore emeki gusako igore emeki yagera manyinga tarabu yanto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire bolito korokanga osteoporosis na borobu no borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na borobu amariogo na rororo nkorigere litore nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amarwaire andamange
na inda mariogo ya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisikobu na bono USA mariogo na ari tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere in USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusi China
asamange bakeresimi ase number 0717176383. HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Karibu nainde umwancho homo rigereria mujumbe wibunge ya bonchali homo ske Charles Onchoke nigene kiribu na bonchali abakabake nigo bagendete gwetira makongo chinga kibakoria makabesa secibenge munenjerejemo yokwegendereria nemirobiri yabo ukwana sama gaji yibunge homo basolero homo ske Onchoke nigo haruru kuburia go chia serikali kwene kibuna kubekere mirobiri mekirano hanena sogo sangiriri bango na boigo kukusaba amakabesa kurwa sebyombe ao.
Banks are going to sit pretty because they are sure of getting their risk-free 13-14%. They'll not be innovative in looking for more products that can bring more money, particularly targeting the small businesses. They are going to turn to micro and digital lenders. The micro and digital lenders are very interesting players in this market. Many of them are not regulated, but fair to say, their terms of lending are unfair. The interest rates are anything between 30% to 200%. So what that means is that the fellows are going to look, because they're looking for bridge finance, they're required to find collateral, which is supposed to be maybe a motor vehicle with login books, and then Evaluation is very poorly done, maybe 50% of the market value of the collateral. And most of these loans are going to be defaulted. So what happens, these poor fellas, the small businesses, are going to have their collaterals seized and auctioned by the lenders, causing distress and failures of businesses. I'm not confident that the total public debt is accurate. I'm not sure that the pending bills that we hear from time to time, year in, year out, being interrogated are included as part of the public debt, which they ought to. The same applies to implicit bills or implicit debts, as well as the pensions. So that we need to start from a point of doing a very accurate assessment of our debt position. We need to improve the credit rating of the country so that we can attract the international borrowing that is concessional. We know that we've been struggling as a country to ensure that our rating has improved. We need to do better so that our rating is better. We need to reduce the debt service costs. We need to improve our revenue collection and some of the measures that are going to make sure that our borrowing is sustainable, our debt is sustainable, and that as well as the private sector is not crowded out.
Kuwatikana ni chinkwana chiaye humura ibikiama gia DCP humuskirigathi Gachagua komoswana na humujumbe bwebunge Nyaribari chache humuskeza janda igati abajumbe bairalibaga na kumugikiri Gachagua imeye bunge kulingana na barabu nigo Gachagua bwenete kumukirigwa igetambukiro kilichiko
kwamba mtu hawezi. Mimi nikitaka kusimama mali yoyote na kubaliwa. Vile vile Obama aliweza kuchaguliwa kule Amerika. Sunak alikuwa prime minister kule Uingereza, na hata kulikuwa na prime minister wa Grenada alikuwa ni Muhindi, sio mtu mwingine, ni Muhindi. So na juzi Mheshimiwa Speaker, Mayor wa New York ni Muhindi, ametoka Kenya na Uganda hapo. Sasa tutasema kwamba Wahindi wasichaguliwe, kwani wananchi wale wanatuchagua hawajui sisi kabila yetu ama rangi yetu ama kama ni mtu ni Muislamu ama ni Mkristo.
Outrage and concern when people use race, ethnicity or religion or gender to exclude others or demean others. It is against the law of Kenya, and especially when it's ethnic or racial, it goes against the National Cohesion and Integration Act. And I would want to call that commission to take immediate action and summon the former deputy president to respond to that issue.
There's freedom of expression in this country, but the Constitution is clear that that freedom does not allow you to profile people racially, ethnically or sexually. This particular gentleman, Mr. Speaker, started from an ethnic profiling perspective. And one of the reasons we debated in this House and impeached him was because of ethnic profiling. Now he has gone to the level of racial profiling.
Purely because he felt he had been disadvantaged or he wasn't happy with where the leadership had come from. And I give notice to him, because at one time I remember this house saved him from the hands of Honorable Wamboka when he had actually done atrocities to the people by doing things that we should not have condoned, but purely because of possible.
Babuatani vikiama gia Jubilee hase kaunti ya Nakuru nigo baruro kubolia gocha sabantu beso kia sobonge na kwaligania baraibense mili kwa melia serikali wakorawa no Musk Fred Matiang'i umuskirigathi Gachagua hegati ya baraibande au barubetie gocha ketaro ya matukabere hase kaunti yo gocha kabwamkyo kukwana chinga kicha babatani abunigo barule kuregetindi gocha sebali barubetie gocha goturubani etare yo.
We have conglomerated here today as Jubilee members, aspirants, and those people who believe in making this nation great, as our party leader and the deputy party leader, who is a presidential candidate, one Fred Okengo Matiang'i. We wish to welcome all the united opposition leaders who will be here from tomorrow and on Saturday. And we have received very credible information. Actually, goons have been mobilized to disrupt tomorrow's rally. That any disruption, we know you have paid those goons 1,000 to 2,000 each. There are 1,000 goons who have been mobilized. They met yesterday, and they are meeting also today in the evening to disrupt tomorrow's rally. You know, tomorrow we are going to end up in Nakuru town, and that is where the rally will be ending. So the disruption that you have planned, we have all the itineraries. And we want to give a warning that there is no monopoly of violence. And we want to talk straight to the Inspector General and one Murkomen that if you are planning war, sisi kama wananchi tunawaangalia. Na 2027 is just next year. One term has become a reality. We as Jubilee, we are well organized, we are articulate, and we know what we want. Let me tell you that it is better to die for an idea that will live than to live for an idea that will die. Because tomorrow we are very peaceful. We will start from Mai Mahiu, Naivasha, Gilgil, and all the sub-counties will visit, including Nakuru town. Then the following day we'll go to Subukia, Bahati, and all other areas. And that will be the launch. You know very well that Jubilee is the epicenter of Nakuru. So thank you so much. Jitokeze, sisi kama wana Jubilee tumejipanga. Let us paint the Nakuru red. Na presidential candidate wetu ni Matiang'i.
Kabisa.
Tunajua kenye tunataka.
Kabisa.
In the words of Nelson Mandela, in his book Long Walk to Freedom, after 27 years of incarceration, he stated clearly, explicitly, and categorically that the youth should not only complain on what they don't want, they should also know what they want. Yes. We as the Jubilee, kutoka mama mboga, bodaboda rider, fundi wa simu, fundi wa stima, kila mahali, we know what we want. And Jubilee Youth League have been able to launch a strategy here that tuko kadi, sisi sote tuko kadi, go and register.
Mokonyi bumurai binso umuske Professor Kithure Kindiki ni garuro kubori uchasa bana siasa kubekense mu siasa na gukorera abananchi amugendero ayo babachorerete gukwana se bunge ya Kieni county ya Nyeri chingaki chiwe sioriga cha mugendero ya serikali. Kindiki niga agendera wakiriko ke serikali asate bire nigegendete gwikerania magendero chinse mu chonsi wanjiriria konde wensi gutayo.
Nimesema sitaki kuzumbuliwa. Mimi sitaki tuzumbuane na watu wengine. Kila mtu afanye kazi yake. Mimi wacha nifanye hii yangu. Siku nitafika hapa kuuliza ruhusa yenu kuendelea. Mutaniuliza maswali. Mutaniuliza ulisaidia sisi kiasi gani? Tulipata stima gani? Tulipata maji gani? Tulipata barabara gani? Soko gani lijengwa hapa kupitia kirauni yako? Hiyo ndio maswali mutaniuliza. Mutaniuliza unatoka wapi? Mtaniuliza umefanya nini ama namna gani? Kwa hivyo mimi niko serious na mimi niko busy na sitaki kusumbuana na watu. Petroli ilikuwa 218 shillings 2022. Lita moja 218. Nyinyi ni washahidi. Kila mwezi serikali imekuwa ikiteremsha bei ya petroli. Shilingi 3, shilingi 4, shilingi 7, shilingi 2, shilingi 3. Wiki ambayo imepita last week, mwezi huu tumeteremsha tarehe 15 mwezi huu wa February tumeteremsha bei ya petroli kwa shilingi 4 kwa lita moja. Ni kweli si kweli? Between 2022 and now, petrol prices have come down by cumulatively 40 shillings from 218 to 178 today. Na bado tunataka tuendelee kuteremsha hiyo bei. Mimi nimekuja hapa kazi na mimi nataka tutulize boli ya kisiasa. Wale watu wanaleta siasa huku ya kuchochea vijana wapiganishe vijana wale wengine. Hiyo tabia sio tabia ya pande hii ya mlima. Sisi watu wa mlima tunaheshimiana. Hata tukiwa na siasa tofauti tunaheshimiana. Siasa kura itapiwa siku moja. Na mwenye kupigiwa kura sio mwananchi, ni kiongozi. Ni wewe utapigiwa kura ama ni kiongozi atapigiwa kura? Si ni sisi viongozi mnachagua? So tusipiganishe wananchi. Kwa sababu kura itapigwa siku moja ipite, wananchi watabaki wakiwa ndugu na dada, wakiwa majirani. We will not allow anybody introducing violence in Central Kenya, in any part of Kenya. You are living in the past. We will not allow you to incite the people of Kenya against one another, because politics is about ideas. Politics is not about violence. Politics is a competition of who among us as the
na gwikiraga bumwancho murigereria no gwikira umwelio wa mangana magiye kiunga chinsenye chiabo no butko eliterane sera sekundi ha sensemeli manyirerio ni garinge Wilson makuri na gusabire twaruburigereria no butko burubuya.
Nogani kukolerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media chake tempe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechi kanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyuru kinyumo